Simplified.
Okay, right. Today I'm going to show you how to attach .bat to a .exe and make a sort of setup thing, if you know what I mean. Right. So firstly, I want you to open up Notepad. Right. So firstly, I want you to type start Philips camera.bat, and underneath put Philips camera.bat. And right, this bit, what this basically does is make a loop that keeps opening command prompt, and it will just freeze out the computer, and you won't be able to do very much, and you can't get rid of it. So now I'm going to show you how to. I'm going to create a directory and start menu. All programs in here, loads of them, so it takes some ages to delete. So firstly, type cd c sorry. You can see that. Right. So basically do mkd dir space like noob, and then basically just copy this. I'll just do a few of them so you understand what I mean. Mkdir noob to lol, whatever. So just do whatever you want, but you can't name it the same like noob to noob. So you got to name it different, otherwise it'll just mess up. So then, but this bit's important. If you want to do a loop thing, you got to have these the same, and basically that's what it. So all you got to do is save it, and you have to name the .bat file exactly as the same as it is there. So Philips camera.bat, so exactly the same as it is there. Save desktop, save. So, right, now I'm going to put this into a shortcut. So right click on it. Right click on desktop, click new, and go to shortcut, and then go to browse, find the .bat you just created. Next, find the thing you just created. Next. Okay, it's just right there. So right click on that, properties, click change icon, just click OK. I'm just pick whatever one that looks realistic as a .exe. So OK, apply, OK. So it's there. It looks exactly like a .exe. So what we need to do now is just open up something your text editor, like say you can open up Notepad, WordPad, whatever. Well, I'm just going to open up Notepad. I mean WordPad. So just put in here terms and conditions to whatever you want. Whatever you want, really, just make it look convincing, but whatever. Just save it to desktop. Save desktop, yeah. So that's there. Now these are the main files we need, really. Right. So now all you need to do, go to Start, Run, and type in iexpress.exe. Yeah, okay. And it will open up this. So basically now what we're going to do is put these two, attach these two files to .exe and it's basically extract us so it looks genuine. So now, if just click next, just keep it as that, next. Extract files only, next. Package titles, basically package titles, so this here. So we'll just name it as Philips camera setup crack 0.0. Next, prompt user, so ask the user whether they want to install it, so install. Next, display a license, that's basically what this we just made here, the WordPad file. Browse, desktop, all files, terms. Next. Right, now find the .bat you just made with changed icon, add, desktop, open, click next, keep it as default, keep it as default, next, display message, complete. This is the message that they should get at the end. Complete next. Enter the path the package is downloaded external user. Just desktop. Philips camera. Save. Just untick that. We don't want to save that. Next. Don't save. Oops. I mean. Yeah. Don't save. Next, and then it will just make it. There you go. So now this is what we just made. These two files are attached to this setup. So basically, like, install Philips camera. Yes, that's my thing. Yes. Agree to the terms, yes. Choose the destination in which you want to extract these two with this .bat, but they don't know it's .bat, so desktop. Okay. It's because I've already got on desktop, but yes, to all. Complete.
Simple.